Our good friend Dorothy Mae asked us for the Southern Classic, all from scratch. Captain Breadhook is way out there. Oh, Captain Breadhook's always in another galaxy. I heard she's on her way home. That'd be nice to have her back. To your cup of butter, add 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. And the safest way to do this is plop it and your eggs in a bowl of warm water. Like 10 minutes, they'll be ready. Right, the safest way. Then add the zest and juice of a tennis ball sized lemon. We needed 2 of them. These are little lemons, that's right. And be careful not to go down to the white part, because that's bitter. Beat in 3 cups of sugar and 5 eggs. You don't have to worry a little bit about over mixing this part, because we haven't added any flour. That's next. Oh, and scrape down your bowl after each addition. I'll blow it up to smithereens. And in another bowl, sift together 3 cups of cake flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add half a teaspoon of kosher salt too. And 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. And beat in all your dry ingredients. Add a 1/4 cup of milk. Now, grease and flour your pan. We always like to wait to the last minute to grease and flour our pan. It's a good idea in case your kitchen is too hot and it doesn't give the flour any time to slide down the side. Plus, half the time we forget. We brush on melted shortening and tap flour around the whole thing. Then we tap out the excess into the sink. And then bake for 90 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean, and place it in the middle of the oven too. Finally out of that mess. Whoa! I'll be back on Earth in no time. The glaze goes together real fast. 1 cup of powdered sugar and the juice of a lemon until it's to the dripping consistency that you like. We didn't let the cake cool down enough the first time, and you can see it's just like flowing right off it. We made up another batch and put it on when the cake was below 90 degrees. Much better, right? Oh my gosh, it's got so much lemon flavor. This is amazing. Boop that bell and share this with a friend.